Magnus, you got the hiccups? You got the hiccups. You got the hiccups again. Yeah, I know. Should I scare you? Hey. Get your tire. Get your tire. Get your tire here. Look it. Tire. Tire. Get the tire. No? You just want to crawl on me. Alright. Come here. Don't go in there. Hey. Hi. Hiccup head.